Oh, these are so pretty.
This shop is such a cute place to be ornamental.
I'm currently living in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, in an apartment. Space is very, very tight. I have 4 children, 3 teenagers. Kylie, who is the oldest, Ethan, is 14 years old. They are biologically mine.
I like the top left one. It's really sparkly.
Kristen, she is 15. She came out of foster care. And my baby, Memphis, he was given to me by a family friend to keep out of the foster system.
Christmas light!
Come on, honey, let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, I'm so tall.
You like a
You're a
giraffe.
giraffe.
I am kind of a giraffe. I've been a renter for 9 years, and I'm really wanting to buy a house now because we're absolutely bursting at the seams.
No offense, Kylie, but I'm tired of sharing.
The girls are driving each other crazy, which is driving me crazy. We're in such a tiny space. To try and fit a Christmas tree is extremely difficult. We had to hang lights in the shape of a Christmas tree up on the wall, and then we taped ornaments to the to the edges of the light tree up on the wall. Here, Memphis, go through the Christmas lights. Sarah is going to be the perfect person to tour with me. We met in a mom's group and have become really good friends over the years.
Look!
Oh, that's so cute.
Amanda's just got the biggest heart of anyone that I know. Even her reasons for wanting to be a homeowner really has to do with her children.
I'm really wanting a 5-bedroom home for each of the kids to have their own rooms. Also, having that one story is really important.
Right. It's gonna be really hard to find a 5-bedroom house on one level, especially under $250,000.
Having a home of our own is something to prove to myself that I can do it. It's also something to prove to my girls that you can be strong and independent. And it's real important to all of our family, just as a fresh start for all of us. Oh my goodness, look at this.
That is blue.
It is very blue.
So it is a colonial, you'll notice right up front.
Yeah, I definitely was not wanting a colonial. I was looking more for a ranch style. I want a ranch style house. I don't want to have to bang on the ceiling with the broomstick like the crazy old lady when telling my kids to stop running around.
It's a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 3,000 plus square feet.
5 bedrooms.
That's great.
That's exactly what we were looking for.
And it's currently listed at $245,000.
That's still within my range that I wanted to be in. Oh.
So you'll notice it is a split level.
This is not very inviting.
You gotta make a decision. Do I wanna go up or do I wanna go down? It's got the hardwood floors. I like that there is no carpet in the main living area. I can definitely envision a really big Christmas tree and everybody surrounded around it.
Oh, this is great space. You could actually put a pretty big dining table right here.
For all of us to eat at the same table.
It's a great central location, close to the kitchen.
All right, lots of counter space in here. This is that big open counter space where I could make the apple pie. I'm a little picky about apple pie. I like my own and my own only. So for Christmas, it's a holiday tradition that we always cook an apple pie.
This is huge.
You're gonna
This
recognize
is
the sheer
huge.
size of this right off the bat.
There's carpet in here, and this was one
Right.
of the things that I did not want.
Okay.
Don't
a
knock
house.
it though, because if you were gonna have any carpet, this is the place to have it.
So we'll go right down this way and check out the 3 bedrooms upstairs.
Okay. It's awfully small. And this bedroom has a closet?
It's right behind the door here.
Oh.
What is this?
I don't know, like my hiding place when I was going to play hide and go seek, right?
Well, this is a nice size.
This is definitely going to need some upgrading.
It feels
and-
dated.
Okay.
This one's definitely opening up more.
This is bigger than the other bedroom. This is already
is.
a plus.
This is gonna be the largest one upstairs.
Oh, wow.
I mean, can you imagine all of my kids having their own bedrooms? It's the only thing they've been asking for.
Oh, this is amazing.
It is a very large space.
This is be your master bath.
This is a pretty good size. I like the counter space in here.
What about that shower?
Oh, this is very dated. It looks
Yeah.
like Little Mermaid in the 60s.
Right.
Are they seats?
They're mermaid seats.
Ooh, it's a little chilly. Isn't it awesome? Look at this
It
great
is.
open backyard.
I could see the kids out here enjoying the space a lot. There's even a basketball goal. We could stick a new net on that, and it's already ready to go.
It's ready to
Ethan
go.
would love that. I was really looking for something more like a ranch style. But I think the house definitely has plenty of space.
The 5 bedrooms, that's really what the kids are asking for.
I wouldn't have to share with Memphis anymore. I can already tell I'm not really gonna like this.
Why?
It's a split level, and it really doesn't have much of a porch at all.
Yeah.
Hey, Tom.
Good to see you. So the house that we're looking at today is just shy of 2,000 square feet, and it's a 4-bedroom and 2-bath home.
Not 5, but it does have more square footage, so that's a big plus.
It's 230,000. Let's go in and see if it works for you guys.
Okay. This is nice. I did not want carpet, and Tom, you delivered on this one.
I love the big window for your Christmas tree.
That's great. We definitely want our Christmas tree where everybody can see it, because we've never really had one before.
You've got actually a den built in off your living room as well.
My kids really want a fireplace.
For
And
their
the
stockings.
stockings on the fireplace.
This could be really beautifully decorated.
I think so too.
So here's the first of 2 full baths.
Okay. That's a little interesting. It's a little awkward. I'm looking into the kitchen right now, so I'm not sure. Like, normally
Yeah.
there's a half bath, a full bathroom right off of the living room and the kitchen. You know, I like that the cabinets are light and there's a lot of counter space, and the oven is definitely big enough. Although, Tom, I'm not real thrilled about the stainless steel because of the fingerprints.
Well, let's go on upstairs and show you the second full bathroom.
Sounds good. Okay. You know, this is nice. It's huge, actually.
Yeah, this
I
is
wasn't
better
expecting
than
this.
nice. I love this. This
Yeah.
is a perfect space for your kids.
I really like the vanity because the girls are gonna love that.
And this one actually has
Jetted tub. Oh my gosh, yes. I think everyone would enjoy this bathroom.
This is the upstairs master bedroom.
It's really big. I
Yeah.
love this.
There's carpet in here. I don't know that I'm real thrilled about that. Does this lead to that bathroom?
Yep,
Because
so-
I think we just came from here, right?
Yes,
So the master bathroom has to be shared with everyone else.
it does.
A little bit smaller than bedroom number 1.
This is bedroom number 3.
So there's just 3 bedrooms up here?
There is 3 bedrooms upstairs, yes.
But I thought we were looking at a 4-bedroom.
Well, we've got a little surprise for you downstairs.
Wow. This is a real big area.
This is your 4th bedroom with potential for a 5th bedroom. It would be very easy to put up some drywall and create a separate living space, maybe for another child.
This space could just be a master for you. There's just so much that we could do.
Well, if this was gonna be the master, where is the bathroom?
You've got water and plumbing already ran down here.
This would be a great luxury bathroom.
That could
right?
be a huge expense.
I am somebody that needs to have enough money with 3 teenagers to tackle anything that comes up. Above $250,000, I would have nothing left to tackle. You know, there's a lot of potential back here. With a little bit of work, I could see how this would make a great outside living space for us.
You've got the mature trees though, and
It gets so hot in the summertime around here that the shade is definitely necessary. I like that it's a ranch style house. That's what I wanted. Hey, Tom.
ladies, good to see you. What do you
Yes.
think so far?
Yeah, the yard is really big, plenty of room for the kids, and the porch would definitely fit my rocking chairs.
Good. Well, let me tell you a little bit about the house. It's just shy of 1,500 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom home with 2 baths.
4 bedrooms,
be
though?
practical,
Like,
be practical.
I was hoping for 5, though.
It is within your budget. It's 230,000.
Okay, I like that.
So why don't we go on inside and look at it?
Okay. Oh, this is nice. The hardwood is really nice. I definitely wanted hardwood, no carpets.
This is a split floor plan, so you got your master all on one side of the house.
It looks a little small for a master.
I really don't think it feels that small. You might have to just get a little creative in here. Oh, I already see something that you are not gonna like. Look at the shower head.
You are so right. Look at this. First of all, there's no jetted bathtub. And second of all, I have to shower like this. I could see myself making apple pies for Christmas in here, cutting the apples here and rolling the dough here.
And I love the stainless steel fridge.
Look, it's already got fingerprints. I don't like stainless steel. I don't know about that. It is a little mismatch, black and white and stainless steel. It's doable for now.
Now, this is a wonderful conversion. This was a one-car garage,
Oh, wow.
but they have converted this into a full-size bedroom.
I wanted hardwood throughout, but this would actually be perfect for Ethan because it's away from the rest of the house and he plays the drums. And actually the carpet would help with sound control.
You're
So
right.
It would.
I could see where that's a plus. I could definitely see one of the girls in this bedroom.
Good. Well, let's go on and see bathroom number 2.
This is a pretty good size for the kids.
It is.
They get the good shower head though.
They
That
do.
one's much taller than the one in the master.
Let's check out bedroom number 4.
Sounds
Okay.
good. This looks about the same size as the other bedroom. It's definitely got plenty of room. Now that they would have their own rooms, they've always wanted their own little tiny Christmas trees, and they would have the space for that now.
I think that would make it extra special.
This is huge. This is definitely big enough.
There's a lot of room here for entertaining. And
There is.
I don't know about this, but I mean,
Does that
this is
stay?
The pergola will remain with the property, yes.
Oh, that's
Good.
nice. We could decorate this with our Christmas lights, have a whole bunch of friends over.
This
Yeah.
is a great backyard for families.
Right. Do you think I could get the kids to mow it?
Anything's
That's
possible.
another
Maybe not.
story.
We're almost there, guys. First tray in the new house. Woo! Awesome. Good job, guys.
This is a really good tree, too.
Yes. I got the ranch style home. It's just the right size for us. Let's see here. We got Kristen. Kristen, all right, here you go. We closed on the house about 3 weeks ago, and we've been in for about 2 weeks. Did Santa come?
Mother?
Yeah, he did. The list price of the house was $230,000, and purchase price was $233,000. When we walked up to this house, something just spoke to me. It's comforting and cozy. It just felt like something that we could make home.
Whoa, yeah.
That's my toy in it.
Here, take it out. Keep going.
Being in my own home for Christmas, it's surreal.
These are so cool.
Okay.
When life happens and things get set back and you're finally able to accomplish those goals, the feeling is just something you can't describe.